Hi there, middle school families. This is my first ever video message, so I hope it goes well. Let me update you on what's been going on at BVP Middle School. Scholars have been persevering like champs through their NECAP exams, working really hard over the past couple of weeks, and we just have one more week of NECAP ahead of us, and then we'll be relieved to get back to business as usual. The BVP soccer team is back in action again, and what I've noticed more than anything is that the more fans that we have at games, the better our scholars do on the field. So if you are available to attend a BVP soccer game, we would love to have you there cheering on our team. I'm super happy and super proud to announce that Mrs. Turner, our middle school art teacher, was named Rhode Island Elementary Art Educator of the Year. And so I'm so sorry that we took her away from Elementary School 1, but we are certainly thrilled to have her here at the middle school. Mrs. Turner just kicked it up a notch. Bam! And finally, I wanted to talk to you about library days. Teachers at BVP Middle School have decided that every Saturday through November 2nd, they will be situated at different libraries in our 4 sending districts. So please check the school notes on Fridays to find out where and when you can find our BVP middle school teachers at libraries. And they would love to help support scholars in getting library cards and picking out books and just spending some time together reading. So this was a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to doing it again next month.